Hi students, in today's session I am going to explain the calculations based on stoichiometry from chapter 1 basic concepts of chemistry and chemistry calculations. Let us see the problem. Calculate the percentage composition of the elements present in magnesium carbonate. How many kilogram of carbon dioxide can be obtained by heating 1 kilogram of 90% pure magnesium carbonate? Okay. Magnesium carbonate formula is MgCO3. So this is magnesium carbonate. Okay, what are the elements of present in magnesium carbonate? Totally 3 elements are present here. The first one is magnesium, second one is carbon and third one is oxygen. Okay, let us see the balanced chemical equation. First we take magnesium carbonate. When it is heated, it decomposed and converted into magnesium oxide and carbon dioxide. The formula for magnesium oxide is MgO plus carbon dioxide. What is remaining? So Mg, here oxygen CO2. So Mg is combined with oxygen, so magnesium oxide plus carbon dioxide. Okay, the next one. First let us calculate the molar mass of magnesium carbonate, MgCO3. The atomic mass of magnesium is 24 and carbon atomic mass is 12 and oxygen atomic mass is 16. Okay. So here magnesium only one time, so 24 plus carbon only one time, so 12 plus oxygen totally 3 times, so 3 into 16, so that is 48. So calculate this one. 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 4 14, 4, remaining 1 3 4 8, so 84 gram per mole. The molar mass of magnesium carbonate is 84 gram per mole. And next one, 84 gram magnesium carbonate contain 24 gram of magnesium. 84 gram magnesium carbonate contains, we calculate the percentage composition of magnesium, carbon and oxygen. So 84 gram of magnesium carbonate contains only 24 gram of magnesium. Therefore, 100 gram of magnesium carbonate contains is equal to first 24 gram of magnesium divided by 84 gram of magnesium carbonate. We converted into 100 gram, so into 100 gram of magnesium carbonate. So once again I explain, in 84 gram of magnesium carbonate, so we calculate percentage composition, so magnesium, carbonate and oxygen. So magnesium only 24 gram. Okay, 84, magnesium only 24. We want 100 gram of magnesium carbonate contains how many grams of magnesium? So 24 gram of magnesium divided by 84 gram of magnesium carbonate into 100 gram of magnesium carbonate. So cancel this term, we get 1.19. Then multiply 24 into 1.19, we get 28.57 gram magnesium. 28.57 gram magnesium. That is, percentage of magnesium is equal to equal to 28.57%. And the next one is 84 gram of magnesium carbonate contain 12 gram of carbon. 84 gram of magnesium carbonate contain only 12 gram of carbon. So, let us calculate 100 gram of magnesium carbonate. 100 gram of magnesium carbonate contain. So, first we write 12 gram of carbon present in 84 gram of magnesium carbonate. We converted into 100 gram of magnesium carbonate. So, into 100 gram of magnesium carbonate. Cancel this one, 84 and 100, that is 1.19. So, multiply this one, 12 into 1.19, we get 14.29 gram of carbon. We want percentage of carbon, so therefore percentage of carbon, that is equal to 14.29%. So 84 gram of magnesium carbonate contain. So here carbon only one time. So 12, carbon atomic mass is 12. So 12 gram of carbon. So 100 we can converted into 100 gram. So 100 gram of magnesium carbonate contain. So 12 by 84 into 100. Cancel this one, 1.19. So multiply 12 into 1.19. We get 14.29 gram of carbon. We want percentage. So percentage here 84 gram of magnesium carbonate contain. Here number of oxygen is 3 times. The atomic mass of oxygen is 16. So 3 into 16, that is 48 gram. So 84 gram of magnesium carbonate contain 48 gram of oxygen. We want 100 gram of magnesium carbonate contain 100 gram of magnesium carbonate contain is equal to 48 gram of oxygen divided by 84 gram of magnesium carbonate. It is converted into 100 gram of magnesium carbonate. Cancel this one. Here 1.19. So multiply 48 gram of oxygen into 1.19. We get 57.14 gram of oxygen. 7.14 gram of oxygen. Therefore, we want percentage of oxygen. Therefore, percentage of oxygen. That is equal to 57.14% of oxygen. The first one is magnesium percentage is 28.57% and the oxygen percentage, carbon percentage is 14.29% and then oxygen percentage is 57.14%. As per the stoichiometric equation, what is given in the question? 84 gram of 100% pure magnesium carbonate on heating gives 44 gram of carbon dioxide. Therefore, 1000 gram of 90% pure magnesium carbonate gives. In question, 1 kilogram is given. Here kilogram is converted into gram, so 1000 gram. So therefore 1000 gram of 90% pure magnesium carbonate gives. So first 44 gram of carbon dioxide. So here 44 gram of carbon dioxide divided by 84 gram into 100 percentage into here 1000 gram into 90 percentage. Okay. Simplify this term. Finally, we get 471.43 gram. .43 gram of carbon dioxide. We converted into kilogram, so divided by 1000, converted into kilogram, so divided by 1000, we get 0.471 kilogram of carbon dioxide. That's all, students. Thank you, students.